Okay, let me explain to you how to do it. Okay, so you try normally print out the one sample first. Okay, so you will see sample my format. You can see have a date at here, right? Okay, so you press the menu first, long press. After show this screen, you press the code 6 1 and 1. So here you try to press to 21. Okay, after you press the enter, okay, enter again, enter. Okay, you press this button, press 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 press, just press until we see this thing current date, right? Okay, after you press this button LT, it will asking you delete. Okay, you press the OK. Okay, after that you press the menu one time. It will asking you want to save. You press this C, change to yes, and press enter. So after you long press the menu, okay, print again, you will see the date is already missing.